Hey, it's Bobbie, and this is the quick digital marketing analysis that I promised you for Vale Garage Doors. So, the first thing I did is I went to the Google search engine and I typed in garage door repair just so we can figure out who's on top of the search engine and why. So, in this presentation, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to build your online presence. That way, people are finding you whenever they do these searches, and in turn, you're getting more clients. So, the first thing I see right here is the sponsor section. So this is the ad section. You pay Google for particular keywords to get listed for. A couple of things about ads. First, it's pay-per-click. So it doesn't matter how many times somebody clicks on that, you're going to be charged a certain amount each time they click, whether they call you or not. Second is a lot of computers nowadays, they have automatic pop-up blockers. So if somebody is searching for your services and they have this, they're not even going to find you. But moving on, this next section right here, it's the Google Business Profile section or the Map Pack section. So I was looking around and I didn't see that you had a Google Business page. This is something that I can definitely help you with. So we noticed these are the top 3 competitors right there. I didn't find yours at all. There's a couple of things that go into place whenever getting right here on the top. Sometimes people think that it's location based only. While that is a factor, it's not the most important thing. So the first tip that I want to talk to you about is citation. That's one of the biggest ways to get you to the top of the search engine. So a citation, it's basically just your name, address, and phone number, exactly the way you have it listed right here. Google wants to see your citation in as many directories as possible through the internet. Whenever you beat your top competitors in citation, then you'll be here on the top of the search engine in no time. So the second tip that I want to talk to you about is keyword rich content. So Google wants to know what your services are and what you offer. So each time somebody searches a particular keyword, you need to have these keywords in your content. There's a lot of different ways on how you can get it in there, and that is something that I can do for you too. So moving on down, after the map pack, then we have the organic section or the website section. So you have to have a website in order to get here, and I didn't find a website for you. I even looked on your Facebook page. I didn't find one. So let me know if you do have one and I just couldn't find it, so that way we can do a breakdown. But what I do want to do is do a breakdown of the top competitors so we can figure out why they're there, and then we can create a website for you and then get you to beat them. So as we mentioned, keyword rich content is the biggest thing that Google looks at whenever it comes to your website. They want to know that you know about everything that people are searching. So they like to see at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your home page. It has to be keyword rich content. So how are they going to read this content? Well, that brings you to the third clue. The third tip, it's backlinks. So a backlink, it's basically when another company puts your website on their page. Like, it gives you more popularity and authority in Google's eyes. Each time your website is on somebody else's page and Google sees it, they're going to look through your website and see what keywords are on there so that they can list you for those. What I did is I used this tool that I have. It's called Era up in there, but I went to this tool that I use. It's called Eras, and I typed in that top company's website right here so I could figure out what's going on. First, it's showing me that they have 1.4 thousand backlinks. So this is how many times their website is pointing back to them. It's also showing me something really important. Google has found 392 keywords on their website. So these 2 things right here alone, it's bringing them 575 visits of traffic every single month. So imagine how much more business you can have if you even had just a fraction of this. So I was actually curious to see which keywords they're being ranked for. So I clicked right here and this is what pulls up. Check this out. This is wild. So this exact word, this exact phrase right here, garage door repair Fort Worth, that is searched 800 times every single month. This company right here is in the 4th position, and so they're getting 57 of those 800 visits every single month. How much more business could that bring you? And let's scroll down a little bit more. This keyword, it's searched 100 times. This keyword right here, searched 10 or searched 80 times. There's a lot of keywords right here that we can rank you for. And that um, Another thing that I do offer is social media management. I can help you post things on a regular basis so that people are just interacting with you and your online presence is getting bigger. So yesterday, whenever I saw you, you had 1 like and 1 follower. Remember, I told you I was going to get you some more followers and likes. Well, now you have 5 likes and 68 followers. So I hope those 3 tips, they helped you. Again, it was citations or directories, keyword-rich content, and backlinks. So let's get together. Click on this link so we can schedule your consultation, your presentation, and we'll show you what we can do. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.